Oh, let's wish Nature Boy a happy birthday.
Fuck Nature Boy.
Oh, she said it, geez. Happy birthday, Nature Boy. You locked up.
Can't get out.
You locked up.
Get
Whoa.
out.
Oh.
Hey.
Mhm.
Nature
Lock that
Boy.
heck up,
Shit,
girl.
he should have been thinking about all that when he was out there beating up them women live on video.
Well,
Live.
not only is he locked up, but one of the people that ran off with the bag.
Oh yeah, you was telling us that. So what's the latest on that?
Girl, he ran off with the bag down in Mexico. Him and one of the other cats,
Mm-hmm.
and allegedly ran off with the bag. Allegedly,
Mm-hmm.
but everybody mad at him for something. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
anyway, ran off with the bag, and him and his boys down in Mexico partying, and I mean, living the life of Riley, buying jewelry.
Really?
Listen, girl.
So hold up. While Nature Boy is locked up and can't get out, they spending
Mhm.
the money and they live flowing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Live.
So they
I
live.
don't know.
How many
And
people did
tell,
they
and
leave?
now and now he telling people that he got more knowledge than Nature Boy.
But
He
how
should have
many people
been.
did they leave behind destitute?
They left the whole crew. They left a whole crew.
With
Seriously, straight
kids
up.
too, right? Didn't they have kids there?
One of them did. Now that couple is in Philadelphia with this guy named Gagut. That ain't
Oh.
gonna that ain't gonna last. But yeah, they in Philadelphia now. I don't
Mhm.
know where the girls are in the balance. The whole as Pop Marquez say the whole lot of them. I don't know what the balance of them are, but I'm waiting to hear what's going on with that because they as of today they had to vacate the house that they were in. They got evicted. Yep,
Oh.
and they had to leave 2 days. So he jumped up and took off and ran off with all their money, and that's that PPP money, mind you.
Hmm.
And he took off with the PPP money, and on top of that, girl, um, that um,
Was that
like
right?
they didn't they got to give account for all that money. You know
Right.
what I'm saying? And so, him taking off with that money, he left them, and he was the treasurer.
Hmm.
He was the treasurer, so he was in charge of holding the money. But you know what I'm saying? That just lets you know, love don't love nobody, girl.
You right about that. I'm trying to get this light so it won't be.
Love don't love nobody.
Okay, that's better. I want that
Yep.
light
It takes
bothering
a
y'all.
fool to learn,
It's
and love don't love
wonderful.
nobody.
I can't remember how that song go.
It takes a fool
Oh, I
to
did have it right.
and love don't love no one. Yeah, buddy. So they found out the long way, the long hard way.
Mm.
I don't know where his main supposedly main girl, none of them. And here's the thing. He didn't pay phone bills. He didn't pay no phone bills. They
Hmm.
used WhatsApp and stuff like that.
Hmm.
So when they had to leave, how he gonna get in touch with them unless if they ain't got no home and no Wi-Fi?
I don't know.
They don't have no. He ain't got no way to get in touch. And then so all he's left to do is wonder what's going on back home But when he found out, ain't no, well, he knew that they was getting evicted. That was
crazy. So can he get bail?
He got no bill.
Oh,
He got a whole sexual assault case.
Oh, well, okay, yeah. And of course, he's most likely considered a flight risk.
Absolutely.
But where were they at when he got arrested? Because last I knew they were in Atlanta.
Yep, still in Atlanta.
Okay, so they're still in Atlanta.
Yep, still in Atlanta. And the other thing is, not only were they still in Atlanta, they were in a rental property in a very nice neighborhood.
You know what I never understood? If they was raking in all that money, why not buy a house?
Because he always got in trouble.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
He always was on the run. Every time he got in trouble, every time he got locked up, he ran, he moved. Every time he came close to him getting busted for something, he took off. Now, this time, my thing, and this is the question that I asked on my live too. And I said, he kept asking them, did they get rid of the hard drives and everything else? Mm-hmm. And they told him, yes, they got rid of the hard drive. But did they?
I don't know.
Did they really? Because if you got to turn state evidence against somebody and keep your behind out of jail, would those hard drives pop up again, bro?
Ain't no telling though. The thing that he seems just like, besides
the same person that he trusted with the money is one of the same people he trusted to get rid of the hard drive.
But he seems such a creep to me. Not just what we know him to do, but he seemed like such a creep to do so much more. Like even on a children level, you know what I mean?
Oh, you know, he was grooming. His desire was to have his daughter and his wife.
I remember. I hope they turned that evidence over.
And he was grooming those kids, raising the kids so that they could procreate within the compound.
And they was walking around naked in front of all the kids, like walking around all the time.
Yeah, he let his son play with his.
Yeah, I remember he had said something on video that he lets his son touch him in his privates because that's his son. And I'm like, what? Son or daughter, you don't let your kids touch you on your
private place.
That's bullshit. That's why his ass deserved to be locked up, and I hope that he remains locked up for a long time. And what's up, bro? Welcome to the panel, bro.
What up, though?
Deacon Bishop Ass Juice Johnson.
Oh my Lord, I wouldn't even admit that.
Yeah.
Y'all know what time it is.
Oh,
it's
Lord.
The Bishop.
It's time for you to get a whole new name, bro.
Bishop Ass Juice Johnson.
Let the hood church doors open.
Yeah, Deacon Bishop Ass Juice.
The doors to the hood church.
That's one word you ain't got named. You ain't got to ever worry about me pronouncing for you.
I know. The D cup. What is D cup? I said, why I say D cup?
Deacon. That's just call me Deacon Johnson.
I bet your wife won't even call you that name.
You hear her laughing in the background.
She ain't even gonna be.
Yeah, Ass Juice Johnson, girl.
She ain't like Deacon in my ass.
Like Deacon, go sit your ass down.
I know. Shit.
Yeah.
Deacon Bishop Ass Juice. That's Deacon Ass Juice. We thank God for Deacon. We thank God because his first name is Bishop. Middle name AJ. Ass Juice.
I can't play with you.
Just call me AJ. Just call me AJ. AJ for
no,
sure.
my mama didn't give me that name.
Oh,
don't blame your mama for your shortcomings.
My mama never.
Oh my God.